Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got another fun one for you. Today we've got an episode of Worker Work. That's right. Our Worker Work series is the day-to-day life behind the scenes of a GPU mining farm operator. Well, one of the tasks that we've been up to this week, and first of all, huge shout out, thank you to the team. Tim and Zach, man, great week, kicking butt. Highest card count, man, killing it with our card count. That's amazing stuff. Well, one of the things we've been working on as well this week is relabeling things to make it easier to know what's going on with our workers and such in HIVEOS. You guys hear me talk about HIVEOS a lot. HIVEOS we're using as our operating system. It makes it easy for us to report, makes it easy for us to label, makes it easy for us to make notations, makes great stability with our overclocks. So many different things, so many different huge benefits of using HIVEOS. So HIVEOS is the operating system that we're using. In the description down below, make sure you check out those links so you can do your own research. That'll be down there, but we were using HIVEOS to relabel all of our workers, make it easy for our labeling system, make it easy to find things. Just, you don't need a map technically anymore. It just makes things nice and easy, nice and tight. That's what we want. Well, as we were going through doing our relabeling, it does restart the worker, but not a hard restart. And when I found a couple of our workers didn't come back online, one of them being this one. This is old 571 and it's now worker 043. Well, what happened was this worker was not kind of firing up like it should. We did the standard kind of wiggle the risers. Sometimes the risers get butted up against each other. You guys know, anyone that's got the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard knows that sometimes those risers are issues. Some people will, tape those up. And when I say tape them up, the PCIe adapters, some people will tape these up. Some people will actually clip those little ends off there. Lots of different ways to get around it. Well, for some reason, this worker didn't come back up. So what I decided to do was bring her in, clean her up. When I mean clean her up is blow her off. Who doesn't like a good blow? Give her a good blow down, clean up the motherboard, clean up things, get all the riser pads out of here. These riser pads stick to everything. When you pull them, sometimes they will stick to things. I did have a riser pad that was kind of sitting here on the CPU. I don't know if that was the issue. So get her cleaned up, blow it off, and then I'm going to go ahead and update, switch all the risers out. And what I mean by that is we're going to go ahead and put on some GPUriser.com risers. A couple things we really love about these risers are that the clip, the motherboard clip here, it makes it easy for us to get in and out. And it's whether, it's our workers that are using the standard fans, whether it's our workers, like a 2080 here, something like that. It just, those types of clips do make it easier. You can see here some deployed, especially with our what we call our China fans. It just makes it easier for us to get in and out of these things. So we're going to go ahead and get all of the risers updated here on this one and see if we can't bring this worker back to life. Lots of fun. If you guys like these episodes of Worker Works, make sure, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. The reason you want to do that is so you can keep up with all of our shenanigans, all the other Worker Works series. We've also got that 1.5 megawatt power upgrade that we're working on out here at the GPU mining farm. You can keep up with other shenanigans. With this worker and with most of our workers, we do like to use server power supplies with these breakout boards. You do have to have special adapters to go into your motherboard there, but that gives you some different powering options. Lots of fun, lots of great stuff here with this episode of Worker Work. If you like this video, comment down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know what issues you think this worker might have. Let us know what other things you want us to cover in our Worker Work series. But we are going to switch everything over to GPUrisers.com risers. Another reason I want to do this is just to give it a good test. All these risers here, those do butt up against each other, and that can cause hard restarts and such. So let us know what you guys are doing out there in the field to make those things right. But we are here in the war room, the mining room, having a lot of fun. You can see we are over here as well testing a, let's see here, we've got a 5700 we got a 5700 here, XT that we're testing, and we are getting 47 megahash per second out of that bad boy, I believe. 57.24 megahash per second. And this is a 5700 XT we got here over on one of our test benches. If you guys want to see those other videos, those other testings, everything else that we're doing, different mining builds, you better hit that subscription icon, and you better hit that icon bell so that way you can know when all the rest of our other videos. We will do our next Worker Work series. Will be a follow-up to this video. This will be hashing, let you guys know what else that we found with it. But yeah, gpurisers.com. We'll have a link for them in the description down below as well. Hope you guys are having a great day. Really appreciate your time. Appreciate the team for having us. Appreciate you guys for having us in our home. Wrapping up this episode of Worker Work, just wanted to show you guys some issues that we run into. We'll go ahead and finish getting this thing wrapped up, see if we can't get it fired up back online. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Have a great day.